Welcome to Fantastic Math. This is Mr. V, and in this video we will factorize a non-monic quadratic expression by cross multiplication. Here's the example we want to look at. Factorize the expression 3x squared plus 12x plus 9. Now this number here in front of the x squared, that's what makes this a non-monic equation. Now we can use the same method for cross multiplication. It's just going to be a little bit more complicated because of the 3 in front of the x squared. So let's have a look. We have 3x squared plus 12x plus 9. And we're going to start by looking for the factors of this ax squared term. So we're going to start here. Now we only have two combinations here, which is lucky. We have 3x and we have x. Now if this term was something different, like for example 4, then we're going to have to try and error these as well. So we could have 4x and x and 2x and 2x. But I want to show you this so you just get how it works. Our second step is to find the factors of 9. Now this one's positive. That makes it a bit easier. And so we'll start with 1 and 9. Now straight away you're gonna see, all right, it does look more complicated. So we're gonna our third step is cross multiplication, and so we're gonna multiply 3x by 9 and x by 1. X times 1 is x, and 3x times 9 is 27x. And then our fourth step is we're going to add these terms and check to see if they match our bx term. So 28x, and 28x is not the same as 12x, so this combination doesn't work. Let's try again. Now it's important to note that right now the very first thing we're going to check is we're just going to swap the 1 and the 9. And we didn't have to do that with a non-monic, but we do here because this is going to give us different results. So x times 9 is 9x, and 3x times 1 is 3x. And 9x plus 3x, they are going to add up to 12x. And that actually is what we wanted in the first place. That works. So our final answer here is written as, we'll group these. So our final answer is going to be 3x plus 9 multiplied by x plus 1. Now this term, the bit in front of the x, means that our trial and error is a little bit more complicated. So this one was fairly easy. Harder ones, it's going to be more trial and error, where you might have to trial and error these, you might have to try more combinations of these, and just keep going until you get a solution that works. But that's it. That's how we can factorize a non-monic expression by cross multiplication. Fantastic.